Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about how does school.com work. So basically here school.com is basically just your simple average innovative online community platform that provides interactive learning and networking. So this is going to be a dynamic space for where you can create courses, foster discussions, and build a community of like-minded people. You can try this for free and log in right here. So basically you can create communities, discover communities, and this is just like your Reddit. So in Reddit you have your sub-communities and you can talk about things such as business, health, personal development, and arts and craft. It's similar to this. It's just school.com in another form factor. It's just an online community platform. So as you can see right here, there's academies. You can even search up random things that relate to your interest that you want to search. So let's just say we're searching for Adobe After Effects right here. So you can find people who have the same interest and actually relate to them, and maybe even join their community right here. As you can see, they have even courses and it's a private group. They have 11 members. It's free and you'll see the username and who owns it and such. So let's just go back right here and let's try to do Grind School right here, which seems more promising. So here, as you can see, there is things that they show for free. So there's going to be a total price. They can promote things right here that they want to. So basically school is just going to be your typical Reddit, but it's just school. So photo, video, music, and other things right here. There's also going to be prices for this for more offers and features basically. So there you go guys, that is school.com basically. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.